be someone usual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
So if you'll see right here, this is one of my favorite companies right now. They have actually sent me the OTOFIX key programming tool. Now this is the reason why I declined Xtool's new scan tool, because OTOFIX contacted me and said to me if I wanted to be the first to review their scan tool. The reason I picked OTOFIX over Xtool is purely because they don't go around shipping this out to every single YouTuber like these Chinese companies do. This is a German company, and many of you guys are going to sit and try and say there's a clone. Please send me a cloned version of the OTOFIX. There isn't. OTOFIX make their device and they borrow the software which they pay a yearly fee to Autel to have on their interface. There is no clone of OTOFIX. So if many of you guys are thinking there's a clone out there simply is not. OTOFIX is one of a kind, their device is one of a kind, and their device is absolutely brilliant. You guys would have seen, I've got their Diagnostics machine and it works flawlessly. I use it every single day and I carry it around me everywhere I go. This is one of the reasons they have chosen to send me the key programming system. This is their latest version. Many of you guys would have seen it. Many of you guys would have seen it advertised on Amazon. This is the OTOFIX IM1. Many of you guys were looking to purchase it, and that's why they sent it to me, for me to be the first person to actually review it, to show you guys what actually comes of it in case you guys want to buy it. Now, we are going to go ahead and open it and see what it comes with, and I'm quite excited for this. Bearing in mind, OTOFIX and Autel have worked together to develop this system itself, all in, and it's giving you all the different adapters. Let me just state again, because you do get the idiots that want to come along and say this is a clone version of this or that. There is no clone version. This is a German quality product. The device itself is made in Germany. The only thing they use is the Autel's UI, all the system itself, but the product itself is made in Germany, not China. Just to clarify on that, it is actually a German product. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And obviously you've got the sleeve there, which let me just read on the back what it actually says. So you can see everything it actually can do there on the system itself. Smart IMMO functions, which if you don't know what IMMO is, that means immobilizer. You've also got remote expert support. You've got the advanced features by subscription. You'll see them all there for BMW, ECU replacement, FEM, BDC, CAS 1, 2, 3 and 3 Plus, Read ISM by bench. You've got all the Volkswagen, Toyota, Ford, Mitsubishi, and this can also do all your diagnostics and your service functions as well. Bearing in mind, this is a programming tool, so if you do want to have diagnostics and the service system on it as well, you will have to pay $180 to be able to unlock that. They do give you, however, all the IMMO functions for free. But that's why, luckily, I've got both. My other system does the diagnostics, so I don't need to worry about that. This one is strictly for key programming. So I'll just go ahead and remove the sleeve out of here, and you'll see it's in nice hard case again, just like the OTOFIX D1. This is the IM1, but it's in a much bigger case. Now I've laid it down for you guys to actually take a look at what's inside. So inside here, you've got the same thing, which is the D1, as what I've got already. This is exactly the same system. You'll see right here. It's actually brand new. They've actually sent it to me. And like I said, I am the first actually reviewing this, but you'll see on the back here, this one says IM1 and not the D1. Like I said, it can do everything the same as the D1, and the price difference isn't actually much, which I'll go over later on, because this one is well worth it. Believe me, especially when you look at the price differences between the D1 and the IM1. Obviously inside you get all your leaflets and instructions in there. You get your charger, which is your plug, just to plug in the tablet and charge it. In here you'll have the key programming system, which is really nice. You can see here, this is the key programmer that you'll put your keys in. This will connect to the tablet itself, and you can use it as actual key programmer. Now in the case here, you'll see you've got all your 4-way USB in case you need to connect anything up. You've got USB lead there as well. You've got right here another USB lead, and you've also got your EEPROM reader. Now if many of you guys don't know what that lead's for, this is to read ISNs and obviously to make a key for your FEM and all your BDCs, because on the FEM, especially on F-Series cars, you need to connect this to the chip on the FEM itself. you will not be able to read and make keys on certain FEMs via the OBD, and the same with the CAS. Therefore, you'll plug this onto the EEPROM chip, which is in the FEM, and you'll be able to make your key via this system. They give you everything you need to be able to do that. So that's just in that one alone. Now, next one, which is up here, you'll see right here, I'll just open it up so you guys can see. You've got right here a lot of different EEPROM readers, and these are used for doing ISNs, bench reading, and certain keys that you're going to need to read from the EEPROM. You've got all the different adapters there to be able to do that. It comes with everything you're going to need for this device to be able to use. You obviously got this right here, which is the connector, which you'd put the EEPROM chip on. I'll just open it and show you because you won't be able to see it in the packet. So you can see right here, you'll put your EEPROM chip in there once it's been desoldered, and you'll stick this on one of them blocks itself, connect it to your IM1, so that way you can read the chip and take off all the EEPROM chip to be able to make your key. It comes with everything, and it's very, very neat. If many of you guys know how to do that already, you'll know exactly what that's actually for. You do have to have an understanding of obviously how to make keys. It's not going to be self-explanatory to just come in and be able to do it. That's one thing it is for the advanced user. Many of you ain't going to need this. You've also got in here the same kind of dongle that you would have seen on my other OTOFIX D1. It comes with the same exact one. You see it's got the torch on it. It's actually brilliant, really, really nice. Got a rubber feel to it so you can actually grip it. It's not going to slide out your hands or drop. So it is a really, really nice kit. Basically, it's the D1, but just with all the key programming features. Bearing in mind, the D1 is £629. That's without the import fees. You could pick up the IM1 for £729. But there's one flaw right here. If you buy the IM1, you won't have the diagnostics or the service functions. You'll have to buy them for another $180 when you get your tablet. If you buy the D1, you'll have all the diagnostics and service functions, but you won't have anything to do with key programming. Therefore, I believe the IM1 is worth it long term than the D1. Now, if you can see, that's everything that comes in the kit. Now I'm going to go over all the functions that's actually on the tablet. So inside here, we've got the tablet, and we're just going to go ahead and power it on. And if you can see there, it shows Autel Europe official product. Now, the tablet's just like the first OTOFIX D1, no different. You'll see here, everything's really, really nice laid out. Now, for a lot of you, I always tell you about this. You can see right here on the sticker, we've got QC, which stands for quality control. And you've also got it here. This is nothing like your other Chinese products. As I said to you, everything that comes into the UK has to pass quality control. And this is exactly what I mean. Just like that, it has to pass strict quality control to be able to be let into this country, because if it don't, we can sue them. And this is why we know the product's going to work brilliantly, and it's not going to be something that isn't going to work. This is what I told you about all car parts, and everything here has to come with them stickers. Now, if you can see here, you'll probably notice that the layout is different compared to what you would have seen on the D1, because you've got IMMO, programmer, right key via dump. You've got your diagnostic still. If you want to have your diagnostics, you've got your service function, but you've also got ECU replacement. Now, many of you always ask me about cloning an ECU on a BMW. Well, this device is going to let you do that. But at the moment, they don't support BMW. We'll show you all the companies that actually allow right now, all the manufacturers. So you can see all the manufacturers here. BMW isn't on there right now, but I know they're planning to bring BMW to this later on. These are all the brands they allow right now for ECU replacement. But don't jump to conclusions and think they're not going to allow BMW, because they are. On the IMMO side, which is immobilizer, you'll have BMW here, so that's not going to be an issue. We can just look for it for European. And if you go down, you'll probably see BMW, which is right here. You've got BMW right there. Now, I know full well this works for making keys for BMW. So if you was to buy this, you can buy it with 100% confidence it's going to write your keys for your BMW. In here, you've got the programmer mode. Again, you can just click OK, and it's going to try and connect to the program. Obviously, we don't have it connected, but you can see here, it does everything you're going to need to do. You can see key, the chip, so you can read it from the EEPROM and write it to the chip on the key, or you can write the key via the dump. So what you would do, the dump is basically what you would pull off any of the from exactly the CAS. If you used to read it on a bench or you used to read the FEM, the dump is basically will be your EEPROM file that you've actually took off there, and then you'd just write the key via the dump via the EEPROM that you've actually managed to copy from the FEM or the CAS straight to the key to make a key. Now that's all the functions that were allowed there. We can go back and we can get out of this one. We've also got write key via dump, so we can load up that one, click OK. Obviously we don't have it. The function only supports XP1, which the XP1 is the programmer inside the box right there. And you can see that we've got Asia, Europe, obviously. We select BMW, we do please wait, and if you can see there, they're all the ones it can actually cover. So you've got CAS 1, 2, 3, Smart Key, Semi-Smart Key, Smart Key, CAS 4, EWS, EWS2 and EWS3, EWS4 and the motorcycles. So it covers all vehicles related to BMW, and bearing in mind it covers Rolls-Royce as well. As I said to you, I'm very, very excited for this product. At the moment, I don't need to write any keys to my car. I am going to be using this though and making a video showing you guys how to program a key. I have got a new car, however, which I will be using this device to make a key for you guys to actually see how it actually works. I haven't revealed the new car as of yet, but I will be later on, and I'll be showing you how to make a key with this device because I'm looking forward to actually using this and showing you guys how it actually works. Bearing in mind, Auto are known for already making keys in the diagnostics world already. Auto is a very well-known company, so I don't expect this to fail, not like other companies we know. But this tool is looking like it's going to be absolutely brilliant, and it's going to come in very, very handy, especially for me and especially for you guys. If you want to learn how to do it, this will be the tool I'll be doing it on, and I won't be doing it on the membership. I will be doing this strictly on the channel, so you guys get to see how it's all done via this device. Like I said, overall it is a great scan tool. You've got many different things that sit on the system itself. Right here, you can get to whatever you need to get to. You can update all the programs. It will let you know if you need any updates as well. You can obviously do all your service functions and diagnostics. As I said to you, just be warned, if you're going to update here, I will just show you with how much it actually costs, so you guys can get a drift, so you don't know I'm not lying to you of how much it is. So if we click renew up here, you'll see here, we'll click OK, and you can see right there, that's the price of it. Now, realistically, I'm not going to pay for it because I've already got the diagnostics one inside for the D1, so therefore it doesn't make sense for me to pay for the diagnostics and the service function with something I've already got, which is basically free for me from OTOFIX for actually doing all the videos for them. As I said, for you guys, if you do want to buy just one device, this is well worth it, and because you bought the IM1, that's why you're getting it at that price. Otherwise you would have paid a lot more, but because you buy the M1, they're trying to encourage you to unlock all the features so you can have one tablet that can actually do it all. Unlike me, I would have to change between 2 different tablets because I'm not really going to pay for that when I've already got one that does the same thing. But you guys, if you buy the IM1, it is worth you buying that to have it all and be able to do everything on this one system. As I said to you, there is no clone version of this, and if many of you guys seem to think there is a clone, please send me the link of where this clone is. There is no clone. It's not a cloned Autel. OTOFIX and Autel are actually working together. They haven't just misused the Autel UI. OTOFIX is OTOFIX. They're their own company. You can go and look them up. They are in Germany. They are paying Autel to use their UI, and obviously Autel and OTOFIX are working together to create the best programming tool for garages and for DIYs alike, so everyone can be happy and have every function in the comfort of their own hands and be able to do everything on their car without the need of buying hundreds of different scan tools. Okay guys, so as you've seen there, I've now shown you the OTOFIX IM1 key programming tool. This is probably the best scan tool you can actually buy for your money. When you think about the price of this, which is only £729, which is roughly around probably $1,000, it is well worth it for what you get in this small little package. You can program keys, you can end up programming new ECUs to the car. So if you do have a water damaged ECU, you'll be able to do that straight to the car. You can easily make a business just at this tool and make your money back for this device in less than a month, very, very easily. Therefore, I truly believe it is worth the money that they're actually asking for it. Now, as I said, even if you're a home DIYer, this tool is still worth it. And why is that? Because if you deal with BMW, you're going to come across all these problems. A lot of people who sell cars only have one key. If you have this tool, this is not going to be an issue. The reason I'm telling you guys to go and buy the IM1 is because you've already got all the key programming features and the ECU replacement. If you buy the D1, however, you will not be able to unlock these key programming features onto the D1. You have to buy the IM1 to be able to have all features, and I believe OTOFIX are going to be getting rid of the D1 because they only want to sell the IM1 because it makes it more usable. Because for instance, if you bought the D1, many people are going to moan if they want to have key programming, which means you're going to have to buy another tool. Where at least with this, you can buy this one and have it all in one package. They're not going to con people like a lot of companies leaving their old one up there, making you guys buy that. Then you see the IM1, regret your purchase, try and send it back for a return to buy the IM1. That's not how they're going to work. So they are going to be removing the D1, so you guys only have this one to purchase, which I think is a really, really good thing they're doing, so they don't mislead any of you and make you buy something like that. If you guys do want to go and buy this, I will link it in the description down below, and I will pin it to the comments for you guys to go and check it out. But believe me guys, the IM1 is well worth it. The OTOFIX D1 is already my must-have scan tool of last year and the year before that, and I'm still using it every single day. It's my only scan tool I actually use. You guys see me all the time. I don't use this tool anymore. If I need to do diagnostics, I use my OTOFIX, and the IM1 is no different. Believe me, go and buy this, and make sure to just buy it because you can pay the $200 and then get diagnostics and service, and then you have all functions. If you buy the D1, you will not have the key programming features, none of the ECU replacement, and you will not be able to upgrade to that either or buy the parts separately. That's why it makes more sense to buy the IM1. So thank you very much for watching guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and this was a sponsored video by OTOFIX, who actually sent me this product, which is the key programming tool, the OTOFIX IM1. Thank you very much for watching guys, and goodbye.